still the still continues flowing back. Should I not have the chance to choose the man I will find my side? Now I have the key that opens portal doors. This is our quest. Finally we will embark on freedom's happiness.